Create a plane, go to Edit Mode, and scale it in the X-axis. Add some loop cuts and give it the shape of a lightning. Make 2 or 3 versions of this one. Make it a new collection. Now create a sphere and add a new particle system. Set the render collection and set the collection that you just have created. Now give it some rotation. Set the lifetime to 10. Now add a new texture. Go to the texture tab and set it to blend. Under mapping, set the coordinates to strand particles. And under influence, set it to size. This will control the size of our particle with the time. Set the gravity and the velocity to 0. Now create a new emission material for our lightning. You can change the parameters of the particle settings to your likings. In the Texture tab, set the colors to color ramp. And make the black one kind of a gray. Rotate the lightnings that are not perpendicular to the sphere. And look at that! You can add this now to maybe a statue, maybe a rock, or maybe even moths.